Welcome to this video from the Open University Library, which is part of the Why and How of Referencing series. In this short video, I'm going to go over how to reference your OU module materials. Your OU module materials should be cited and referenced just like any other source. The Quick Guide to Harvard Referencing has examples of how to reference online module materials, including videos and audio. You can find links to suggested guidance for how to reference forum posts, tutor feedback, online module materials, and printed module materials on the Cite Them Right and Module Materials page. I'm now going to look in a little more detail at referencing online module materials. When referencing online module materials, you need to make sure that you include the following details. First, details of the author. If there's no named author, then you should just use the Open University as the author. You need to include the year, which will always be the year that you started studying that module. You need to include the title of the page or item that you are referencing and your module details. You also need to include the URL of the page or item and the date that you last accessed it. There's an example reference to a page on the K102 module website included on the screen, so you can see how that looks when it's all put together. I'd now like you to pause the video and try the following task. I'd like you to access the page on the library's WHR 101, the Why and How of Referencing companion VLE site, using either the shortened link on screen or the link in the description box for this video, and then create a reference to it using the template for online module materials. When you've completed the task, come back and start the video again. Hopefully, you were able to identify the different elements that you needed to create the full reference by yourself, but I'm now going to open the site to show you where to find them. Your module website will look a little different, but the elements you need to find for your reference should be all in roughly the same place. The link should have opened onto a page with the title, When Do You Need to Reference? This is the first thing that I would make note of, as this would be the title of the item. I'd also make a note of the URL for this specific page to include in my reference. I can't see an author listed on this page, so I know that I should use the Open University as the author in my reference. On Open University module sites, the module code is usually displayed at the top left-hand side of the screen, and can also be used as a quick link back to the module homepage, which I'm going to use now. The module homepage always displays the name of the module at the top of the page. In this case, the name of the module is the Why and How of Referencing. I've now identified all of the elements that I need to create the full reference to this module page. Using the elements that I identified and the template for online module materials, here is the complete full reference for the page When Do You Need to Reference on the WHR 101 module website. Hopefully, you were also able to identify the different elements that you needed to create the full reference, and it looks similar to the example on screen. Thank you for watching.